Hello friends, I Ronak Sharma from the Bangalore. Please, this is a fidget spinner everyone knows. Today I show how to play in one finger. Okay, please like the video before seeing and subscribe. See, this is a fidget spinner. Everyone knows to play in this way. And see, I play in everything. Thumb, indicate finger that no one can play, then someone cannot play. Take slowly from the thumb and take in the middle finger. From the middle finger and take to the finger ring. After finger ring, take in the small finger. See. Please, thank you. Please subscribe and